In the global material handling industry, there is one company that has achieved extraordinary results through technological innovation and superior quality. Welcome to Global Conveyor Supplies Company Limited. GCS has been specializing in the manufacture of conveyor rollers and belt conveyors since its inception in 1995. 30 years in the industry has enabled us to provide high-quality, high-performance conveyor solutions to our customers around the world. We offer a wide range of products including heavy-duty conveyor rollers, light-duty gravity rollers, industrial conveyor belts, drive rollers, conveyor systems, and a wide range of accessories. Whether you are in the mining, metal smelting, or power industry, GCS can provide you with customized solutions to help make your production and transportation efficient and worry-free. As a leader in the industry, GCS not only has advanced production technology, but also has strong OEM and ODM customization capabilities to meet the special needs of customers in different industries. Whether it is brand customization, packaging design, or product specification adjustment, we can provide you with tailor-made services. Our products have covered the world and are widely used in many countries and regions, such as Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Australia, and Europe. With excellent product quality and reliable after-sales service, GCS has won high trust and praise from customers all over the world. GCS is ISO 9001:2015 Quality Management System certified and has a number of industry qualifications to ensure that every product meets the highest standards. Our automated production lines, robotic welding, CNC machines, and other advanced equipment ensure that the production process is efficient and precise, providing you with higher quality products. Our team consists of experienced engineers and specialized technicians who are committed to product innovation and technological breakthroughs day in and day out. As an international company, GCS adheres to the philosophy of customer first, quality first, and always puts customers' needs first. We work hand in hand with our partners around the world to provide specialized material handling solutions. Whether in quarries, power plants, steel smelting, or recycling, GCS is your reliable partner. At GCS, we are not only a supplier of products, but also your strategic partner in the field of conveying. We will continue to innovate and forge ahead to provide our global customers with better and more efficient conveying solutions. Thank you for your interest, and we look forward to working with you.